Okay, we have reached 10K. I want to thank you all so much for all of your support over lockdown and, well, just in general over the years. Now, I mean, I don't drink, but I went and got a bottle. I'm going to shake it and open it, and hopefully Jesus. POV video. Some of the photos from today's video are down in the description as raw files. You can download them, edit them, upload them to Instagram, use the hashtag OpticalWander so I can see them, and we'll be reviewing them later on in a week. So 7 days, go and have fun, bit of a competition, go and edit them, go and do whatever you want to them. Go, there is no limit. Take the photos, do whatever you want with them, and enjoy. Tag me on Instagram at OpticalWander and hashtag OpticalWander, and I look forward to seeing what you create. Let's go and do this POV video and see how it all turns out. I'm gonna go and dry up from the Prosecco. Okay, we've come out to meet up with Sebastian again. We've come out because it's raining, and we specifically come out to shoot because it is raining. So you get to get these really cool reflections when it gets a bit darker, and you get to capture, you know, London in the rain, which is quite cool. Just gonna wait for Sebastian now. Also, the little attachment that I have for my GoPro that keeps it on the chest harness actually broke, so it's currently being held on by blue tack and sellotape. I can see him, like you can see his little fluffy jacket. Look at him. Such a fluffy jacket. You can't miss it, like it's just the hood. Look at him looking all angry. How are you?
Yeah.
Look at my shitty rig.
Yeah, I just watched your thing.
If only my camera came with a thing that covered this.
What shoot cover?
Yeah, if only it does. I do have one, but it's at the house. So, okay, I'm gonna shoot a little bit now, but I'm just water sealing as much as I can with blue tack. Okay, so I've applied the blue tack all over the camera. Anyone that's watching this, you're probably like, you're a fucking idiot. Well, if it's stupid and it works, it's not stupid. So if it keeps some of the water out, I don't care. I don't want to partake in your shitty manual focus lens.
This is what he looks like. Actual what he looks like.
Wow.
It's bad, isn't it?
It's disgusting. That's why I'm doing POV, so everyone looks at everyone else, not me. One shot facing down towards Tower Bridge. I mean, ideally, I would probably have an 85mm. Oh, wait. Have you got an 85mm?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I'd probably have an 85mm or something like that, just because it'll look way better. Reflection, goodness. Now, one of the downsides to shooting in the rain is obviously, yes, you get wet, and secondly, you have those shitty clouds that don't really look great. There's a really cool puddle here, which I can just get like the top of Tower Bridge in. So I'm going to try and get it. Nice. Okay, there's also these like slab things as well. Sebastian wants to get the photo.
I'm alright.
But I've jumped in front of him. Well, it's going to be quick.
No, that's pretty cool.
It's going to be quicker than yours because you're going to spend an hour trying to get it manually focused. Do you know what? I might just stand on here. Does that help your shot? Okay, as Sebastian finishes his milk shake, I'm going to get this kind of like, there's like this half reflection kind of just here, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, it looks shit.
You look shit, but hey, I'm going to wait for these people to go across as well because I think it looked quite cool. Okay, Sebastian's eaten, so now I'm super starving as well. I've got some shots of Tower Bridge, but I find I always get loads of shots of Tower Bridge. We might head towards like Regent Street and all that area to try and get some like typical London bus shots and those types of shots. The rain gives that opportunity to get those reflection shots. There's not much here. Normally when it rains, this is like really wet all up here, and then you can get like a really cool reflection, but it's not quite wet enough, unfortunately. Getting like a shot from down here, you've got the city, well, the CBD, Central Business District type of area, just over there. I'm going to shoot through the the trees here, which is always a good shot. Well, you know what, it gives it a bit of depth, doesn't it?
It does actually.
Yeah, so
That's tragic.
well, go back over to your shitty shot over there, right?
That is actually, it's tragic.
That is quite tragic. Go back to yours, and I'll put a bit of depth in my shot. Depthiness. Oh, you're gonna take the same photo now? Yeah. Because my idea was better. I quite like that shot actually. Once I edit it and hopefully bring some sort of a sunset sky in there. Yeah, it'll be alright. I'll make it work. Throw one of my presets on, which are available in my description. Oh, this is a good shot. It's about the perspective. Nice. I like that. You're right, mate. Ooh, that's a good idea. Oh, circle shot. Look at him copying me now. Look at that. Go back to your shot. Nice, I like that. Nice shot. Okay, moving on.
That was the other one.
Next shot. It's like Regent Street, Oxford Circus, all of that area. But there's just this really cool reflection shot here in a puddle. This is why I like coming out after rain, because, well, it looks sick. You've got Sky Gardens there. The puddle is down here. And the shot, bam, yes please, thank you, all day long. Bam, thank you. Okay, so there's some buses parked here. I'm going to try and get it before they move. Okay, so look at those. Ooh, quite like that. You've got like the added bike tyre, which looks really sick in it. Ah, did you get it?
Accidental, it's an accidental shot.
Oh, mate, that was a nice shot. I'm gonna steal it. That is London photo porn for you. Oh, mate, you got the same shot. That's sick, man. Oh, my camera's so moist. Okay, I'm gonna go into the middle of the road. I need one going across. I need a bus going across. Please, bus go across. Well, there's a bus coming from that side. You have to like continuously look around. Okay, okay.
That'll be good, that'll be good.
Money!
Oh, sex.
It's still loading.
I'm with the guy.
Okay, so there's this puddle here which is like perfect. Which is kind of the puddle I was looking for just now. So fire those off. And like with a reflection like that, you don't really have to think about it. It's so simple. Because the reflection does it all for you. Downtown CBD area that I showed you earlier on when I was on the south side. There's a reflection shot here that I'm gonna get. That's pretty cool with the rain falling in it and all of that stuff. Cool. How's that look? Cool. That looks really cool. I like that because you can see like the raindrops dropping in it. I mean, we will eventually get up to St. Paul's, which is just up here. Back at St. Paul's again. Yeah, I know I said the other day there was a shot up here and I didn't get it, so I want to get it. And I'm going to get it. I guess they're staring at Sebastian. Probably. But the shot is, if you kind of peer, if you peer over here, you get the reflection on the right hand side. Like so, and because it's wet on the floor as well, you get the reflection on the floor as well, which is kind of sick. And you've also got it on the left hand side. How are you? Huh? Yeah. That's why everyone comes here. I don't know if you can see it from there, but it's pretty cool. So that is that one done. That is down there. He is there. There he is. Did you get a shot? Okay, let's go to that place. I'll show you where that place is. The section that I was talking about is just here, because the drains don't really work, so it just puddles on the floor. And then when you look back, you have
Me?
you have Sebastian, you have St. Paul's. That's the one I got it from, with an 85mm.
85?
Yeah, but because it's raining, it's quite hard to get. Does it look alright or not?
No.
You might be better off going to the side a bit. I don't know. To get the central line, I'm going to get one more shot of St. Paul's. So I'm going to come up here, because the reflection's quite nice up here on this slab. Oh, like that. So go down here, might be a better photo. That'll do. Huh. Get central up to where we're going. I can't find my mask though, I don't know what I've done with it. So hopefully I can get on without them being a dick. I will give it a go. So the good news is the blue tack seems to be holding off and doing well. I mean, it probably isn't even necessary. I just wanted to take precautions just in case, because I don't want to, you know, I don't want any issues, electrical issues, because that's never good with the camera. It's raining quite hard now, which is good, because when we get down to Piccadilly, it's going to be a good reflection. I just have to find Sebastian. Okay, I'm going to try and get a reflection shot here somewhere. Not sure where though. Okay, so it's on the crossing ones now. Let's see if I can get something. Okay, ideally I'd have it on like a wider angle, but if I got the front of the bus, it'll look decent. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. That's pretty cool. Okay, we are heading. We're heading down towards Piccadilly, and then getting some shots on the way as well, down Regent Street, obviously because of the reflections. You're getting some decent reflections, they're okay, but personally I like the puddle reflections, so I'm gonna have to like jump in the middle to see if I can get any. Oh yes, that looks so sick. So I was getting like a longer exposure of the other side, but then a bus went past, and look at that. Woohoo! That is absolutely, I'm happy with that. And then go to Piccadilly with some wet floor, Piccadilly sign, wet floor, bam. So in the middle of Regent Street, a bunch of taxis normally park like so, and I'm just waiting for cars and buses to go past either side, which will give it that really cool long exposure. But the rain's coming down a bit, so I'm getting droplets on my lens, so I'm trying to be quick. Okay, I've got a bunch of decent shots then. I'm just going to come over here in the dry to have a look at them. And I also just like swallowed a fly. Okay, if that's in focus, then I'm good. It's kind of like slightly out of focus, but it's alright. Hey Seb, what do you think? So we're going to walk down to Piccadilly now. The weather has got, well, a bit moist, even more moist than it was, but it still makes for good photos. So if there's a break in the rain, the reflections will be super good. Just purely because at the moment when the droplets hit in the floor, it obviously creates that disturbance, so you don't get that reflection. But then when obviously it like dies down and it stops, you get that nice smooth, like buttery reflection. So hopefully it'll stop soon. Okay, as I was just saying, there's like a break in the rain, which is giving this really sick reflection. So I'm gonna try and get it before the rain comes back. Okay, I'm just waiting for the buses to move. Woohoo! This reflection is so sick. You know, the last time we came down, we didn't get that reflection. Is this what you wanted? Yeah. And the sunset is so sick as well. Such a sick shot. How does yours look? Okay, this is a sick shot. So I'm shooting through the bus stop because it's got all of these like beads on them. It just looks so sick with the reflection. And then I'm hoping in post I can then bump that up and hopefully get the shot that I actually finally want. So for this I've set up the tripod, everything's all set up, reflection, everything lovely. Underground. I think Sebastian's probably going to get the better shot here just because of location, and just waiting for a bus to go past and then bam, hit the shutter, fingers crossed, all works out good. That's the aim anyway. The bus is going, I've got it on a 1.3 second exposure. I'm going to wait till it's in frame. 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I think once I edit that and bring it up in post, I think we'll be golden on that one. I'm gonna go and get like a fresh perspective just around the corner. Obviously, I don't wanna like get the same shot as Sebastian. So I'm just gonna like move around the corner. Okay, I've come just around the corner. You've got the light just here. It's a bit too bright, so I'm gonna stop that down a bit. Should be okay there. And then hopefully when the bus goes past I'll be able to get it. I want to be kind of quick because I am in the bike lane, and cyclists in London are renowned to being, well, a little bit dickish. Take the photo, take the photo, take the photo, take the photo, take the photo. Go, 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 go. It's gonna look sick. Oh yeah. And then hopefully in post when I lighten all this up, it'll be pretty sick. I'm gonna try and get it in a minute once all of these people are out of the way. Okay, I have 6% battery left on the GoPro and 6 minutes left of record time. So let's get this one before it dies. Okay, I'm happy with all the shots. It's been a pretty eventful evening. Let's just get this last one. Again, I mentioned it earlier, all of these photos that you've seen today have been edited with my presets. So if you'd like to buy my presets, they are down in the description. Really simple and easy to use. There's also mobile presets there as well. So if you are a mobile shooter, then there is some presets there for you to use as well. But with all that being said, create more, stress less, and of course I'll see you in the next video. Peace.